Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya and you are watching InteriorMaata. So today we are going to decorate this back wall you are watching just behind of me. This is basically my dining space and I want to renovate this in such a way that it goes with my blue and grey interior theme. So we are going to do that. And if you are watching my video first time, I'm an interior designer and my name is Ananya, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the whole video, don't forget to give it a like, share, comment and subscribe. Do you have any question regarding interior designing? You can mail me in this email ID or just Instagram message me in this ID. So here it is, let's start the process. I have ordered some wallpaper, nice good wallpaper from Flipkart, and they just got delivered. Let's see what we can do with the wallpaper. First we are going to remove these art pieces from there and install the wallpaper. So let's get started. This is how my dining area looks before everything. This is the wallpaper, guys. I have ordered 3 rolls for this particular wall, and the quality of the wallpaper is looking really nice. The textures are good. They have given us this spoon and this cutter with it, with each wallpaper, which is really nice of them. So the packaging looks good. Let's open this packet and see how the quality is. So the quality is a little thin, but within 260 rupees, what more you can expect. This is self adhesive, that means you don't have to use any kind of glue in it. Avigyan is just showing you how you can place this, and you have to measure the wall and cut the wallpaper according to that size. Next, remove the back paper very carefully. First, place the wallpaper on the wall and check if the measurement is correct or not. If wrong, remove the wallpaper and place it correctly, and you can start the process. Please follow the technique I am using here to remove the back paper. Use the spatula once it removed to stick the wallpaper on the wall. I noticed it's easier to start from a corner and gradually move to another. Follow this process to install wallpaper in the switches area as well as the light area. Avigyan is doing this far better than me. So after almost more than 4-5 hours, we are done with the wallpaper, but we are all exhausted.
And I just killed myself.
I did. He helped me a lot. Actually, he did the most of the job. I was just sitting there and enjoying the song, and he helped me a lot.
Free labor, free labor.
This is how it looks after finishing. So guys, this is the day 2 of the makeover. Now as you can see, the wall is looking really beautiful. Now I took a day off Sunday and I thought let's take a break and see the wall, because I was planning to place something over here in the middle of the wall, but as because the wallpaper is already too heavy, it does have all the details of bricks and the dark ones and the light ones and the daily ones, so I didn't wanted to overdo it. So instead of placing any heavy art, if you remember that I have made a sunburst mirror a lot of videos ago in my starting days of YouTube. So I'm going to try and place that sunburst mirror and see if it works. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't, so I'm not going to make any more DIYs, because I feel like it will be too much for the wall, because the wall is already beautiful. So let's see. I'll place the camera on the stand and I'll try to place the sunburst mirror. See if you like it. Do let me know. So I have placed the sunburst mirror, as you can see in my back, and yes, it is looking nice. It's time to place the dining table over here and see how it is going. Before that, I want to give you a quick look of this wall. To make the chair a little bit more comfortable, I am placing this chair pad on these first two chairs. and I decorated this dining table in a very simple manner. So this was it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I have a really good place where I can walk in and definitely it's a dining table. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव इट अ लाइक, डेफिनेटली शेयर इट। अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा। अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स आई वांट यू टू रिमेंबर। अगर आपका रूम छोटा है तो डोंट गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ डार्क वॉलपेपर। मेरी जो लिविंग रूम है वो डाइनिंग लिविंग रूम जो है वो काफ़ी बड़ा है, तो आई वेंट फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न। दे आर एंटी पैटर्न्स ऑल्सो, दे आर लाइट काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन गो फॉर दोज। सो अनदर थिंग आई वॉन्ट यू टू रिमेंबर इज़ कि ये जो वॉलपेपर्स होते हैं एक से मतलब थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ऑर्डर कर लीजिए, एक रोल ज़्यादा ऑर्डर करके रखिए, एग्जैक्टली मत ऑर्डर कीजिए। जब भी ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं तो मेज़रमेंट जो है वो परफेक्टली देख लीजिए। मुझे बस 2 ही चाहिए था लेकिन मैंने 3 ऑर्डर किया था और मुझे लगा पूरा वो लगा 2.5 बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी न्यू कि थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डर हमेशा करना चाहिए, सो इट सेव्ड माई डे दैट डे। अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन हो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ लीजिए और डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए क्योंकि ये जो चैनल है ये अभी 20,000 मेंबर्स की एक फैमिली है। जितना ग्रो करेगा उतना ही मैं अच्छी वीडियोस बना सकूँगी और अच्छा मैं कोशिश करूँगी। आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ in front of camera every day and I hope you are getting that। आप मुझे पूछते रहते हैं कि अनन्या क्या आप मेरे घर डिज़ाइन करेंगे। सी आई लिव इन गुजरात। अगर आप गुजरात में रहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आई विल हेल्प यू आउट। अगर आप गुजरात से बाहर रहते हैं कहीं पे भी तो ईमेल आईडी पे ईमेल कीजिए। द मोमेंट आई क्रॉस 50,000 subscriber I'll start doing your room decors, your videos। I'm already getting requests, so I'll choose few people and I will go to your place and decorate your home, so that is there। give your submission here। So that's all for now। I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed and अगर आपको कुछ पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करना मत भूलिए। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। आई लव यू ऑल एज ऑलवेज। मिलते हैं मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो होगा अनदर डेकोरेशन वीडियो। तब तक के लिए आई लव यू ऑल।